This video will help you to find useful information and pre-built Linux images for the Xilinx ZCU106 Evaluation Kit. With the launch of Kriya, you might have seen easy-to-use getting started material with pre-built images, package feeds, and Jupyter notebooks for the Kriya Starter Kit. Did you know Xilinx also has pre-built images, package feeds, and Jupyter notebooks for some of the ZCU evaluation boards? If you find these walkthroughs helpful, you can subscribe to the Kestrel OmniTech YouTube channel so you get notified when I post new videos. Let's see what Xilinx has published for us to get started with the ZCU106. On Xilinx.com, there's a shortcut, www.xilinx.com/ZCU106, to help us get to information about the ZCU106 board. If we scroll down, in the Resources section, under the Documentation tab, we can find board information like the user guide and the targeted reference design. In the Tools and IP tab, if we follow the PetaLinux Tools link, you can read through this part yourself later if you're interested. And if we scroll down, you'll see a section about the Quick Start Linux images. Board support packages are mentioned here, so I'll navigate over and show you how to find the BSPs. I'll go to the Downloads and Licensing tab and click on this Download PetaLinux button. That will take us to the PetaLinux Downloads page. Below the Tools installer, you'll see all the available PetaLinux Board Support Packages. Did you know there are also some files that can help you skip a few steps if you just want to quickly boot up Linux and see it run on the board? Aside from what's on Xilinx.com, did you know there's also useful resources about the software to run on these boards on wiki.xilinx.com? From the Wiki landing page, let's go to the Linux pre-built images in the left sidebar. I'm going to follow the link to the latest one. If we look at the downloads, there's a tarball with the pre-built Linux images for the ZCU106 board, and also a link to download the PetaLinux Board Support Package for the board. The PetaLinux BSP has even more pre-builts, including a WIC image, and lets you customize and rebuild software for this board. Down here, there are some instructions about preparing the SD card, booting up, and logging in. And if we scroll down more, there's a list of what's in this tar file. Going back to the table of contents, there's a section on Xilinx package feeds. Xilinx offers package feeds for boards, including the ZCU102, ZCU104, and ZCU106 boards. This will make it easy for us to quickly install the packages we need for developing applications on the board out of the box. I've got another video coming up that will show you how to use the Xilinx pre-built images and package feeds on a ZCU106 board. Thanks for watching!